On Draw Stuff Real Easy today, I am going to show you how to draw a rat, but let's not talk about it. Let's do it. I'm going to use a pencil to sketch out lightly, then I'm going to draw it in ink, and then I'll erase those pencil lines so no one will ever know how you got to be such a great artist. And what we're going to do is we're going to sketch in very lightly, don't press too hard. We want this kind of egg shape, which is slightly kind of bigger on that side, and then I'm going to put a circle there, and then we're going to want kind of a line there, and that's going to be the back leg. We want to curve into that circle, and then that will kind of go forward a little bit, then kind of square down a bit there like that, and then a little kind of zigzag there for the mouth, and then this will come around to that foot, and then this will come around to that foot, and then that will come around to that foot there. Now the ear will not be much higher than the neck bit there, and we're going to want the other ear over there, and let's draw like a circle for the eye that will go forward slightly and down that way there. Now I'm going to draw in ink, so we'll draw that curve for the ear, then kind of a down and up, and there's like a little W shape really there, and I'm going to draw backwards so that we get that kind of fur look, and I'll draw backwards down there like that, and then we want to come up a little bit there for the nose, and then we want to come a little sort of zigzag there for the mouth, and we want that kind of fur shape to come down like that, and here we'll put the other ear, and we want to kind of continue this line down here, and then we'll take that kind of around there like that, bring that down there. Let's do the eye first. So actually I'm going to do forward a little bit and then across down like that, and then I'll put a little circle in there and shade around it so that we get that shininess in the eye. They're always very bright-eyed, aren't they, rats? And so I'm going to put some little dots around there, and they've got great big bristly whiskers, so I'll put those in as well. And the kind of furry bits sort of stop there, and we're going to want little claws. So that's 4, 5. So it's like a hand. So that's the thumb. 1, 2, 3, 4. And they want to have little kind of claws on the end, and again here we want 1, 2, 3 like that. Now all we've got to do is the tail, so the tail will be sort of coming out around about there, I should think, something like that, and we'll just have it kind of curling around the tail. Rats' tails are something that some people just do not like. It makes them feel a bit squeamish. So I'm going to curl around like that, and then we'll sort of come to a point, and then this wants to just get slightly thicker and thicker and thicker, and we want those kind of curly, slightly curved lines in there, and they're slightly hairy. When you are absolutely sure that the ink is dry, then you can erase those pencil lines, and I am going to put some shading in here. So these are lots of kind of little lines, and it wants some sort of in between the claws there, and it wants to come up into the underneath the body there like that, and the shading is here just to kind of help put the put your rat on the table in a sort of a 3D-ish kind of way, and then we can just maybe just do that maybe a bit around there like it's lifting off the table slightly, and then we just put a few little kind of hairy marks in there like that down the middle, sort of following the shape of the fur, the way the fur's going, and we can maybe put a few extra little bits on the table there like that and I think maybe just some little kind of moves because they are very twitchy, and then I think all you really need to do is to shade it in a kind of a brown with a slightly pinky tail, and then maybe some kind of grey on the ground just to kind of put it